Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. As you can probably see in front of me, right there, we are going to be doing an unboxing today. So if y'all want to see what it is, stick around. This is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. All of my planner chicks, Bible study chicks, script writing chicks out there. Hope you're having a great day. And I'm also hoping that I can keep you in frame. Okay. Whew. I've had an eventful morning. Doctor's appointment this morning. Super early, and I just don't do super early. My body hates super early. But I went to my doctor's appointment, made it. And that was 35 directions in one way. And then had to go got home and go another 9 miles in the other direction to pick up this. But it's okay because it was a priority. And I've been waiting for it for so long. I got a little tear running down my cheek right now. Oh, no, never mind. That was sweat. Okay. Anyway, shall we go? Now, I'm not good at this stuff, so you guys are just going to have to be patient with me on this part. Normally, I at least remove it from the box. But I knew with this, if I did that, I'd just rip it all the way open. So I wanted you guys to share in this experience with me. So here we go. Oh, you know what? I don't have any glasses on. Oh, crap. That's not good. Because I don't want to tear it up. Cut it. Ugh. Oh, Lord. Remember those days when you were young? And you could rip a phone book in half if you wanted to? I'm doing good to pull off a piece of toilet paper these days. Oh, gosh. Oh, my doctor told me today that my sugar is a little bit elevated, so if it gets any more elevated, I will be pre-diabetic to go along with all the rest of the things that I have. I was like, no, that can't be happening. But I crave sweets. One of my medications, that's one of the side effects. And I would rather eat a bowl of ice cream for dinner than anything else. So I'm just going to have to deprive myself. Because I don't need more medications and more serious health conditions. I just don't. Okay. There's too many grandbabies to be had and loved on. And too many planners to be had. I haven't done my bucket list yet. Okay. So here we go. And naturally I turn her upside down. But let's pull it out. Oh gosh. I was getting stressed because obviously, as you can see, it's a Gillio. I ordered this from the 40% off sale they were having of that particular kind of leather that did not turn out the way they wanted to. So rather than just throw all the planners away because they didn't meet their standards, they sold them for 40% off. And I'm like, I can do that. I don't mind that. I buy, imperfect stuff all the time. So far, I've never had an issue with anything. So I'm good with that, especially for 40% off. Because Gillios are expensive. They really, really, really are. You guys that know anything about planners, you know this. So, where are my glasses? Okay, anyway, here we go, guys. So from first off, I will tell you right now, Vendor Specs bags feel nicer. These just feel like flannel. So, but that's okay. It's not what the bag, it's what's in the bag. Oh my God, look at it. Oh, wow. I've never had an ostrich print leather one. Oh my gosh. I've only had Pebble and then Vendor Specs. Beautiful, buffalo leather. But it's super squishy, soft. And as right now, I'm not seeing any. Of course, I don't have my glasses on. I see what they're talking about as far as now. This is what they call imperfections in the leather. You see these lines here. That is something they consider imperfect. So that is, and I'm going to tell you, I don't care. That doesn't bother me one bit. Because it's beautiful. It's purple. It's mostly lavender. Oh, This is from their Sesame Street line, by the way. Looky, looky, looky. Looky, looky. Okay, let's tear that off. And you get a pen. They always give you a free pen. And here's your little Vanderspeck. Hello, how are you? There's your little handprint and all that fun stuff. I'd read it to you, but like I said, I don't have my glasses on, so I can tell that that's a person. That's about all. So when I get my glasses on, I'm probably going to be even more goo goo gaga over this. So you got your big, it's set up pretty much just like a Touch Me Vanderspeck, if you ever have one of those. So you've got your big back pocket. This is the Compania. And then you've got your fly leaf. And this is extra on the Vanderspeck. But I'm disappointed. I thought it would be this on both sides, and then it'd be like my Moterm, and then it would have pocket slots. But it does not. Well, dang. But look what I got. I did pay extra to get this. I wanted gold rings. I did not want silver. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know if it goes that way or not. I know Vanderspeck charges me extra. So this is the only leather planner that I have that has gold rings. All of my Vanderspecks, my Aurora Estelles, my Moterm, all have silver rings. I love that so much. And then you got your secretarial pocket. You got a slide pocket there, pocket here, and a zipper. Gusseted. Like I said, it's set up just like your Vanderspeck. And then here's where your pockets are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another secretarial pocket. But you only get one loop. One pin loop, but I took care of that problem. Ooh. Ah. So it is, yeah, it's got a elastic there. That's good, so I can fit different ones in it. And this is just a freebie they give with you, and you get to pick whatever you want as far as choice. Let's see. It's just a regular little ink pen. I use gel pens, but I will use it just because it's pink. We'll stick her there because I'll be putting a nicer pen in here. Oh, wow, guys. Very pleased. This is what I want in my personal wide. This is what I want in my personal wide. This color, everything. And I want to get it, of course, I'll probably be getting it from Vanderspeck. But I guess some of the quills on some of them are like real bumpy, but these are not. They're really smooth. I don't know how they're looking on the camera, but they're real smooth, and the leather's really supple. It's just supple. Ooh. And it feels more heavy duty too. I like that. That's another thing, because of it, the fact that it does rain so much here in and that's 30 mil rings too, by the way. It rains so much here in Oregon. That's a big concern. I have to, about taking which planner am I going to take outside with me. Buddy! He hears kids playing outside. We had a flood last night. I mean, a flood. Torrential flood. Trees down, mud across the street, everything. And this morning the sun's out. I was very grateful for that, but that just shows you how weird we are here. Okay. I'm not going to set her up yet. I'm going to set her up, and then I'll do a separate setting up video. But right now, we're just going to leave it at that. Let Melissa play. Oh, that's so beautiful, guys. So, so beautiful. I think I'm going to set this one up if I can keep my mind, focused enough as a YouTube, or just basically, social media planner. That's what I think I'm going to try and do with it. We'll see. We'll see what Melissa's able to do. We'll see. Okay. One more thing. I didn't unbox this when I got it, because I just did not have time. Because I was on babysitting duty. What's my grandbaby? So I went ahead and set this up and everything. Well, just playing with it. But I did order this print pression in a personal wide. just because I love this color so much, and they had them on sale for $20. I paid a lot more than $20 for this. Understandably so. I have the little purse, you know, the little two A6s in this that I got just to check them out. And the same complaint I had with the A6 I have with this. Still not wide enough to fit your tabbed planners. I mean, they still want to stick out. They just need to make it, I mean, a half an inch, or even, maybe not even that much wider for it to really be the size of a true wide. With both their A6 and this one, a personal wide. I'm not sure about their B6 because I don't plan on ordering one of those, because I have one B6. She's beautiful, but she's awkward to carry around, so I don't do that. So anyway, I did get this, and I just set it up, put some stuff in it, some extra inserts that I had ordered, because I always turn around and order more and more and more. And then I also got these from Fox and Pip. Their collab with Print Pression pen holders, because I want an extra one on here. Yes, I do. And then I knew if I used this one, it was going to need one, so I got those. These are the little freebies they sent me. Little cards and some little stickers. And then I also got, and I'll have to pull this out for you, for my B6 Stylogy, I got their little jelly thing. And it's very generous. Matter of fact, my rings are causing it to kind of cut down in the middle. But it works. I think that's real pretty. It's holographic, and you got your little bows and everything on it, which is my favorite thing ever. I love bows. But I also love this because it's got roses. And black roses like that. I love that. And bows everywhere. Wish this was real leather. That would be super fun. But I do like it. Am I using my Stylogy? I'm using it a little bit. See, am I in the right month? January. So I got things written in there. Merry Christmas. January. Yeah. Because there's my goals. That week I didn't do too well. I didn't do a good job on that week. So this is not where I'm at right now. This is where we're at now. I didn't do a good job on this one either. I should not have put those days on there because I didn't let myself anywhere to write. That was my bad, Melissa. But this one, I made up for it. I left myself a lot of room to write. So this is coming next week. So I have been, writing in it and things. And then I also set aside journaling pages to journal and all that fun stuff. I purchased off Etsy, these for the calendar year of 2021. So I just take them and then I put them in there with washi tape, so that I can use them that way, because I don't make good calendars. If I'm going to do that, I need a much better stencil, because I don't draw straight. I don't. So that is what my calendar looks like, and then the weeks behind it, not a good one there. Journal space, that's one. See, I'm starting to get my groove. They're starting to look better. I try something different all the time. And so, that's just a little to-do thing. I do scripture writing in here, doctor visits stuff. I just tried that out. And then that's a journal page. And then I just have to make more weeks, which I enjoy that. That's the fun part about a Stylogy, is actually completely creating your own weeks. And I love, if you go on Pinterest, you find all kinds of good ideas. But there is a girl, her YouTube channel, she's Amanda Ratch Lee, I think is her name. I know it's Amanda Ratch, R-A-C-H, so if you put that in, she should pop up. She is the bullet journal queen. Oh my gosh, her layouts are amazing. Some people are just pure artists with this stuff. We're talking watercolor, everything they can do, but she just draws so beautifully. She makes the cutest, most creative things I've ever seen. So if you're into the bullet journal, check her out if you don't already. But anyway, so I did get that from Print Pression too. And I do like that. I mean, that with those, if you want to just take that out and carry that with you, you can, because it's protected. But what fun would that be? What fun would that be, guys? Oh my gosh. So, I am going to set this beauty up, and then I will film a flip through for you, hopefully tomorrow. And you see what I did with this. Just, I don't know when I'm going to use it, or even if I'm going to use it yet. I love this ice blue. If it was real leather and just a little bit better made, I'd be on board, you know, even though it'd be a lot more expensive. I cannot get my bow to stick to any of my planners, and I'm going to lose her. It makes me angry. I think I might just leave her on my mirror. That looks cute. Okay, but I just put some of the stuff that I'm not using right now in my health planner, which is the personal wide that I'm using most. But I did put one of my daily things, and I had an extra set of calendar inserts, so I went ahead and put those in there, and also an extra set of weekly inserts, so I went ahead and put those in there as well. See, these are undated. That's where I already have dated ones in my Jane's Agenda inserts. Still loving those, guys. Oh my gosh. Love Jane's Agenda so much. All right. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Okay, guys. I'm going to leave you to it. Upload this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like. So much appreciated. Like me, subscribe to me, share me, leave a comment. I only get a few comments. I want lots of comments. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to see, what you have. Tell me the planners you have. That's really what I want to know. I want to know what you got. It's about sharing. All right, guys. I hope you love this as much as I do, because I'm just, look at there, my bracelets match. Oh, I'm coordinated today. As you can tell, this is one of my favorite all-time colors, if not my favorite all-time color. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you, Gillio. Thank you so much for having this. Mess up more leathers in the future, can you? Because that's the only way I can afford you. Mess up more leathers. They should just have a whole line of messed up leathers, you know. So that us poor girls can you know, occasionally buy one. And I also put it on a payment plan. You know, you can do that now. Not with Gillio, but you know, through all the other different things out there. Put them on payment plans. It comes out every 2 weeks for 4 weeks. It makes it a lot easier to handle. Alright, guys. Love you so much. Thank you for spending some time with me. I will see you again very soon. Hopefully tomorrow with a setup of this beauty. And you have an absolutely fantastic, wonderful, wonderful day. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Love you. Bye.